Okay. It's not the first time I'm trying to record this. And so what I want to say, you remember this house and this house remember you and they miss you. And today is your day and we would like you to make some congratulations. And this is, I will try to read. I'm not sure if I'm gonna make it very correct, but please forgive me for any pronunciation. So listen. Elina Belina. That's, by the way, Italia is good thing because you can say Belina. Your name is very good for that. Okay, Elina. Mans latviešu engeli, mana blanda draudzene, jo tikrai blondas vers suprast blondas. It ypač Italija. Jo dzīve ir vieglaka, kad saulė spīd un tavi matį spīd ar kapā. Es novēlu tev tik daudz šajā dzīve labu ēdienu, labus dzērienus, labu vīru, labas drēbes un kurpes, labus draugus un naudu un labus seksa dzīvi. Un labakas atminas no Milanas, jo tas ir tavertas. Myliu tevi, bučis.